every race, so it travels with us. So in case it's in Indonesia,
Yeah.
you would have the same one there.
Okay.
We just bring it with us and put it there. It looks the same. The meeting later on at 3 will be right over there. Yeah, that's where it is. But we can just go and walk over here.
So how long have you been here?
Me? I arrived on Tuesday. Yeah. Some stuff of our event production, they arrived like earlier. So we always have Eric and Raphael will tell you in more detail later on in the evening. Yeah, I can just give you a rough overview, but we always have a partner that we're working with and who supports us here and also has some stuff to put up everything. And here is the media center, so you have all the media in there. They have a lounge as well, and they have a really nice view. If I'm not sure, let me see if you have. No, you don't have. Okay.
Jadi dia datang tapi yang production dia datang 2009 dia set up semua.
Sky Lounge, that's our VIP area. So, and yeah, you can watch it from over there.
Tribun.
Gampang sekali memang. Ya. Maka kita sini ya di Gunung Maga ya.
Sabang.
Club Lounge. So what is this Club Lounge?
It's a here. Well, no, this one is another one from Raffle Japan, I think. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. We don't usually have it. So our local partner can choose as well. This is our Sky Lounge, it's our VIP area. But it's not open yet because it's only operating Saturday and Sunday. So, but they get a really nice view over there as well. Yeah.
How many person you expect for tomorrow? Coming?
I don't know the numbers,
I see.
so I can't tell you. I just don't know it. Maybe Eric and Raphael know it. You can ask them in the meeting.
You can watch it on Fox
Quality.
Sport.
And we are taking care about the international marketing campaign.
Your country.
Maybe one so detail.
These are the TV programs.
The beginning is
Quite important for
principle. We try to follow the rule.
the whole city is going to be represented.
Everybody gets
in the pre-season 52 Minutes magazine.
its revenues, but
Then
is in the same time responsible for the
on the qualifying
costs, which are
day we are going to see 90 minutes
to the
from
revenues. So
qualifier on
Oh.
race day is 2 times 60
and on the
minutes.
partner
This
side,
goes back to the front
the host city
part.
is responsible for paying a sanction fee to the Red Bull Air
Forgot to show you. This takes 60
and
minutes.
is responsible for
For this takes
preparation of the ground and the public
60 minutes
partner,
for TV.
which is
And
related to the spectators of the event.
2 times 60 minutes.
So
Cut 2 minutes, 3 minutes clips
meaning there are certain revenue streams
provided to the broadcaster.
to this
And then one
obligation. So the partners
on Monday evening,
recoup the
we provide the
their
20
investment.
sports highlight. 5 days later, 52 minutes magazine.
First of all, we
Again, with the hosts
have the sponsorship, which is
and the beauty of the hosts included.
called
And after the season is a
National Present,
with the host. And the same thing is also on digital. We are responsible
which
for the new needs
you can send to
and having all of this already
national sponsors
processed. We have
from
a mobile game
Indonesia.
in place and where we are creating the
How we can
true track of showing also the backdrop of the city. And we have a lot of fans playing
have the
the mobile game,
ticketing,
on mobile game, and you see
take care about
12 million downloads
the public event. It's right
now and some 100
to send it
played and also
to the event or to play
every
event.
a competition
And
for these guys
we
playing
have the hospitality. The hospitality
on let's say mobile game.
is
At the end of the season
areas,
is also going to be
one which is the Sky
so-called world
Lounge.
champion
You
mobile game
weekend is operated
is also promoting the city. So
full air race. As this
I would now hand over
is
to you to our business. second.
Which
Real time. This is into this graphic. And you can compare it. So as one is flying in reality, the goal
details on the next slides too.
is displayed at the same time. Of the flight path. So is pulling earlier or later.
Full and favorite. For the public event, we are also for our partners to sell those official Polaris.
And so also how high they are pulling the G-load and the time. And we can also show so all 14 makes sense. And you see the difference.
And also at a glance of
Size by
economic
centimeters in the certain dimension. So
is
this is
very important
unique.
for your official
Yeah. It's perfectly
and your
calculated and it's unique.
we are dividing the direct impact use economic.
Okay, so I will come briefly to the most important because you have two.
So direct impact
I'm sorry.
investments which
So
directly briefly related
the basis for
event.
our cooperation, split
all the
of the
spending
responsibilities and the rights of the parties.
there is organization for example
We are going to sign
we need to reach
clearly
1,000 to
define
3,000
the way of our cooperation.
which we are taking care of
In the
we
post-CPA
pay for
there are the responsibilities
and we
of the
need to
regulators. So
focus
on the one hand, we bring the support,
and so
means we bring the sorry.
then also on investments
So we do the support with the
partner side
with the pilot and
on all the spendings from the spectators of
so on everything which is necessary
usually
to bring the support. This comes from us. You see it here.
and
We take care of the TV production, as Eric said, we're signing the broadcast account,
take care about the international. So, and on the partner side, on the one hand, we ask our partners to pay a sanction fee to the Red Bull Air Race, and the partner is responsible for organizing the event. That means organizing everything which is related to spectators on
confirmed by the studies.
the partner gets, of course, revenues to recoup its investment.
Economic.
So the five pillars we have the sponsorship. We provide with certain marketing assets which you can sell to national companies from
Reinvested into the region. The money
your country.
which we
Then they can
invest goes to the
public event,
companies.
get the right of ticketing.
So
It's your
they are
your decision to ask for an entry fee for a ticket
going to invest in the region.
Then we have the hospitality,
And then
we have the
economic
Skyline
impact.
run and operated race as an investment into our partners. We invite all our global partners. And then we have the partner launch, which
And
is
then
operated
we have the
private partner.
value
According to the standards and quality things of the partner. Because you know best what you have to provide to your guests. Then you have the
is not
concession,
the value
which is food and beverage concession for the public event. And we have the merchandise sales, so you can get the possibility to sell
which
Red
city
merchandise.
would have to invest
This
in order to reach the same global appearance and
we explain the business model, how we can cooperate with TK, and today, tomorrow we can go to more details. But time-wise, I will finish it here. I come on to the last slide, which is a very important one for you personally, I guess, and your country. It's the economic positive impact. The positive impact, economic impact, shows the benefit for the region, for the governors, thinking tax money and so on. So we have the direct
then is about the revenues.
value. What you see here is the average.
We sent the package
All
to
the
the
events
sponsor.
we had so far.
Sponsorship.
We do an investigation for nearly every event is done by me,
In general,
company,
we have
us. And the direct economic
on the left side
usually is in
the Red Bull
between 5 and 10 million US dollars.
sponsors, and
Direct economic impact means
on the right side
all the
the part.
spendings which are directly related to the event, coming from you, from the public event,
The three national
from us organizing
funding partners. We have
such spending
three
for
official
suppliers and
ship partners and one official
also we pay for our hotel nights. We will need roughly
shipping partners,
3,000 to 3,500 hotel nights
and they
we're going to pay for.
have exclusivity
And then all the
for the whole
spending
series.
from the spectator.
And then we have
So the total sum of this is the direct economic impact, 5 to
inofficial
10 million on
team,
average. Then the economic impact.
but they do not have
it would pay off the
exclusivity.
fees.
These are
Yeah,
partners
Hopefully,
for the race team.
Directly and indirectly, so and also with all the revenue
Just one
we can create,
yeah.
So I think
example.
fair.
We have several
Then we have the
well,
economic impact, and the
friends.
economic impact shows the money which is spent in the direct economic impact directly
In
in
our
the region will then be reinvested
teams
from the companies again in the
country.
of the event, and usually this is between 10 and 15 million US dollars. And then we have the media event between 3.5 and 5 million US dollars. But this is not the value of the media outcome, but this is
Certain
the money a
marketing as and usually
would have to invest.
really
In this case, you get the same media outcome as it is provided by a Red Bull Air Race event. So the
to sell
3.5 to 5 million. So all in all, we're somewhere between
in three
18 and
major packages
30 million US dollars from the economic
to three different
impact. Also, there is
uh,
a tangible impact, which is
local companies.
about how the city is perceived. So usually there's very positive image impact on the city of the event. Then a very high
There's a gold package,
return visit of the
silver package,
visitors. They will recommend to their friends,
package,
families, acquaintances, which means and tourism coming to the country and so on. So that's it.
this should fit
Briefly summarized. If you have any questions,
also reflect the view of the ship itself, which you are essentially do your process.
It asks a lot
Of course, you are fully in charge of all the exhibition. And so,
Only to absorb this.
yeah.
but
No,
if you are having important meetings
Making a watch the
sponsors and it will be of support that
Okay,
somebody of
I saw
Red Bull Air Race
this is the
GmbH
most important for
joins you,
you let's say as a governor.
and then we are ready
You have to say
But
to argue and have a reason, a good reason.
and as mentioned at the beginning, we keep 100%
argumented in Parliament.
the revenues. There is no revenue
Yeah,
But
Yeah.
I mean,
for the national
for the cost
Pre-
covered by
packages.
sponsors.
And
You pay
we
for sponsors.
are going to provide
okay. Yeah, we
This
can
one
take
you-
note that
yeah.
let's say if there is a some interest, then
you will
I think
okay.
you will be in Skype today, later today and tomorrow, and we are ready
And then,
to meet
as I said, we are ready to support
you again and
What?
to answer questions if you might have
the
more questions.
This
person or
from first time
provide you with presentation
reply that me come to you
Yeah.
want to
text which you can use to
have a
presentations to potential
share race in my area.
sponsors.
Only is all
Where it is clearly
demand.
visible which marketing as
Look
to provide
from
and how they will appeal.
say our experience and how let's say flexible
And
we are and
some examples
let's say our and
full of the
be in the position
present the packages the
to
more
organize it next year.
very everyone probably the
Team that you are planning for 2020. Yeah. So
Well,
we are also able to
which
make
would then be
step by step to if there's let's say a
on the video walls.
Google Earth. So one
Also to add global appeal. Branding, we are offering either one air gate, which is two pilots next to each other, or two single pilots, for example, in a chicane. Right? Then the co-branding of the pricing ceremony back is here. We have some examples. Then the co-branding of the pricing conference or backdrop. And then depending on the location, we also can discuss certain branding on the track side.
Hello, yeah. And here is a hill.
And then something very unique. For the Polaris, we are providing you with flights in a two-seater
Okay, good.
plane. We call it G-flight.
But it's a matter of.
So
I
you
don't know what about
can offer your partners to join a plane, not in the race.
We
But at
consider
the airport, we will have a gate, and they can experience how
each win and
sitting in a race plane
West.
flying
okay, but let's say we are limited
to a gate.
by about
What it means
wind.
to
We can fly up to 50 kilometers per hour wind.
achieve.
This is 30 miles.
Then
It's in place.
the scenes,
It's over there, and where the pilots are mounted.
and then we are offering race control
What the pilot on the water or
The pilot
where we take
on the water.
you and your partner
You will see that. And there
to
is
the race
there's a need
control to meet the height
in your area.
of which we are providing
on
the direct that
Yeah, on there.
explain everything which is going on in the race. Yeah, that's it in terms of sponsorship. Here
So it's a beautiful place.
some examples, special product placement.
And having
And
very
then here
close, this is important.
press conference
Possibility
backdrop
to
with
of and land
including
for the place. The closer the better.
the local
In an ideal case, it's on site.
right
Second,
giving back
The closer the airport, the better.
better. Yeah.
So because even it would be possible.
and here you see the air gate for single pilot.
I checked. This is some 500 meters long. It would even be a possibility to use it, but to check.
Yeah.
Kidding. We are depending on the way how you organizing the ticket. We can support you with ticketing.
300 meters.
Either you go with
325.
It's 400
ticketing application
for me from. So, yeah.
to have a trust
Can you land
partner,
that? Take off and landing?
or
Not
we are
ideal. 500 meters.
offering a global partner.
But the airport is not far away.
Yeah.
Just
Just on top.
It's ideal. Yeah.
On top. Yeah.
And you
Okay.
can the contract just
But it's a sense that the pilots are closed and they can come
or you can
taking
take
photographs
them as a sub
the pilot to the space.
to your you can
Take off
agency and
from,
they are ready
run
to support with international
runway 28.
ticket sales.
Yeah, 100 meters
This is
higher.
we can offer with regard
And immediately being in the
to tickets.
track. Yeah.
While in main island is
Then the hospital
the main island.
hospitality, as I already mentioned, the Sky Lounge is operated and paid by Airways.
The airport is
Is an
not
investment into our partners and has a capacity of usually 200 guests. And the local hospital,
some 50 miles.
which is the hospitality of
This is
yours,
very
we decide
it's not ideal.
No idea.
you the level of work,
The better would be the other side.
how you run it,
We find a
but usually
piece of road
we
in this area.
recommend that
Okay, this is a big road
you
there.
have to capacity of 1,500 guests and then you really
The beach.
make business out of it. The only thing we have to mention that going with the involvement of the Airways or full branding,
In here,
this
but in here.
gives you another possibility visibility and marketing
This was
to your
tsunami hit at
so you can sell any right of
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
a good road here.
the merchandise contract with
Okay, let's evaluate. I see. I think
company
Or build a new airport for the Red Bull.
state take care of about the full
But
sales.
you know what? Here, it used to be military airport.
The contract can be
okay. The golf course is now?
ready to be
Okay, let's evaluate.
for the merchandise stuff.
I would recommend that we
Retailer
make a tour in the
to space.
and we can continue.
Merchandise
You are useful.
range which
Use of this okay.
Okay.
yeah. That's in terms of the any questions?
My
To mention about this section. Can you explain about the section? How much
It's 5 million euro.
and is it per season or
This is per season.
per season?
Per season. Yeah.
Yo euro to satu.
as Raphael explained, for this 5 million euros, we are bringing the whole sport, all the pylons, all everything what's associated with sport, all the personnel for the TV production, the media, etc. So means, as he also mentioned, that we need some 3,000 to 3,500
equipment
hotels.
is used to judge flight maneuvers and issue penalties.
This is for our personal. Let's say it starts if it's a auto location. It starts some 20 days. For the weekend,
which reports back
the race weekend itself, and some people are
to us in race control how much key the pilot
staying up
they're using.
10 days.
But equally, some of it is just judged by if you're being like
with this, let's say the pilots disappeared.
just looks and assesses. Some visual
Also,
そうです。軸が使わない。彼ら肉眼で判断をしているということなんです。だから水平にちゃんとゲートを通っているかどのぐらいかかっているかっていうのが肉眼で分かる。Do our pilots ever, I mean,
we have seen the
they have the right to appeal
bays
decisions and do
bank, so
they ever appeal?
it's the place you want to race, or you want to have to race.
Ah, so, じゃあ前でちょっと過去
Perlu pointer ya?
terus
Minta pinjam. Tuh ada tuh.
we issue a penalty. Now, quite often. If we see a penalty,
I guess the only thing they can't contest is a pilot.
The dimension fits.
I guess everything else they want. No. そうね。すぐ分かるけど、他のではやっぱりもちろんそうだし、やっぱりこの怒ってしまう。お前は怒るぞ。誰に選んだことないよっていうそういうそうなんですよね。というよりは逆にしてない。焼きアピールしよう。Now, one thing about Japan in particular that we've seen in recent years.
Pakai pointer aja.
Ini di kan jadi besar. need for. They tell us that in 2 years we will set up it for you. Yeah.
But in principle, I think, let's say, what we need is, let's say, the place where we build, let's say, the barges. We need barges. So I think this should be organized by you. Then we anchor them and we do all what's necessary. So this is our... And we to pilots on them. So we start scaffolding them. You have seen the barges, there's a scaffolding, and then there are the pilots. And that's also the engine running in this scaffolding. And we have enough space here, or we find also another space here for our compound. And let's say the airport can be used. I don't know how let's say, how heavy traffic is there.
It's not so much.
Because when we are doing a live product, this has to be without interruption. You know, the signal live product, then we cannot expand it or extend it.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. No, but I think it's fine. It's up to you. Where you are going to find the public is or the spectators are. So if you can propose it, then ticket or non-ticket. Organize them. Also, this sport facility would be a beautiful place sport place, no? And having grandstands, etc.
Untuk mencapai kontrak itu apa yang harus kita lakukan yang berdasarkan sengketa dan segala macam. Yeah, Mr. Karim asked about the specification that we need for, like you say, compound, everything.
Yeah.
Including the airport.
It's let's say an ideal maybe an existing one can be a piece of or let's say a glass, but we'll be using the existing one.
Air Force.
Okay, it's easy to long enough, so we need let's say to operate our competition roughly 500 meters. So it's we have technical description. We have such a provider.
You can see the radar.
Again, they're going to make another pass. Looks like one time Microsoft for
ですね。綺麗に左右90度重ねて、
Alright, here's Peter Kopstein coming into the box now.
続けて昨年千葉大会に
Saat ini kita sedang menuju sebuah fasilitas yang terpenting dari sebuah gelaran seperti balapan umumnya. Ini yang dikatakan dengan race control. Dari sinilah seorang race director itu mengatur semua mencatat kejadian walaupun ada hukuman atau bagaimana jatuh dalam di sinilah. Oke, sekarang kita lihat ya, kami sengaja diajak kemari kan ini di maksud itu apa? Memecahkan sebuah persoalan yaitu hulu dan jelas
生最近ねストーリー嫁がカングルから
I can erase the sound. Yes.
I have a lot of imagination. So welcome here. This is race control. Control is like the brain of the race, so we're managing all the operations from here. Both in the air and on the ground, both from the sport and aviation perspective and the lap around. Smallest management here. So then show you here. How is the race control configured in the first line, and I will show you inside now. We have from the very end towards us, we have normally in the first position there in the corner the race director. This is Di Matteo. He's not here now. And from the second position, we have the head judge, which is myself.
Ya barusan kita
In this,
ketemu sama Mr. Sergio.
then
Dia
this man
ketua
is showing us his
juri
back.
kita memimpin
Judge assistant is Stan Gray from US.
sudah menilai apakah disanksi atau bagaimana.
The gentleman in the white shirt,
Sanksi karena ada dua fasilitas di sini campur dengan air traffic.
the FAI is the International Aviation Federation.
Kemudian
The only airways.
nah di sini tadi sudah dijelaskan ada
We are the only he's a vice commissioner from the FAI, and he's in every race we have
lokal dan
one advisor
selebihnya
from the
adalah
FAI. Normally the Freddy
bekerja dengan sistem tersendiri
here in this last
yang
restriction
menggunakan
yes, ATC air traffic controllers with the airports or with the
sendiri tidak menggunakan
the air just to what we have clear to do. And if we continue moving here, very important thing, the coffee machine, because there's a really long
At the very end, EMS, that
in the second row we have all the management of the
which is for camera.
and towards
We can you can see the moving very slowly because it's 1,000 pictures a second. We are the gyro stabilized camera over there. This is provided by the system. We use it normally in production. We have camera number 7 on sunny.
We are in contact. I will show you now the
early
communicate all the areas are all in this second row.
of it, everything. We have two cameras. Only one link has the cable, power quite. You get two power. So this is from the contact.
Okay, so there are
You can say it's
not too much, but still hold time for through the track. All they have to fly through the gates.
the colleagues from
And when
they will
they don't obey some rule, they make a mistake, they bang in a
avoid 12 to
I know we are pulling some
yeah.
with time. So we have time to do
All
the fastest one is the
on the event. Cameras I've been there 10 times before. The two cameras. So even force that are more difficult than the games. We hope to get defensive. 28. You can have look inside the oven. Has to be patched. But from camera, some pictures are a little bit more. They are matched up a little bit. But to make a live event, the camera doesn't have to we have to close the door in our apartment that we rented here on site from our friends in HK. If you want to look inside, you can see the color correct. You know? So once we go inside, today you can see the vision tool with all the camera pictures. There's also the remote. That's like Sony. Yeah. And once we be a little bit, just follow. Okay. Cases. Is that our graphic?
let me show you
We have 19 square
positions
engine
in this
generate on
so what we are
the virtual graphic. Also the lower
so starting with the radio panel
takes and the result.
these buttons different person different of the we can
It's the height graphic. So this